Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the Baby Bonk coin. It's pretty easy to do this. Open up your Chrome browser or whatever browser you use, and once you've opened up Baby Bonk, simply scroll down till you find the contract address, which you can easily copy by clicking on the copy icon. Once you've copied, scroll down till you find the market where it's being exchanged, and at the market section we have the pancake swap as one of the markets. We have Mexi. So all you need to do is we're going to be trading on a decentralized exchange, which is pancake swap, and the centralized being the Mexi. So minimize and open up your Trust wallet or whatever wallet you wish to use. Let's go with the Trust wallet. My Trust wallet is opened up. Make sure you have the Smart Chain BNB. That's this BNB. If you can't find it, use the Add Crypto tab at the top right and simply search for BNB. You then find the BNB Smart Chain. Click on this BNB Smart Chain and make sure you have. If you do not, click on the buy option and get yourself some BNB. So guys, with that in mind, how can we get the Baby Bonk coin on our wallet? Head to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, click on Pancake Swap or select the Pancake Swap option. Once this option has been selected, click on the Ethereum network and select BNB, as it's BNB we're going to be working with. The icon beside the BNB network is your wallet. Make sure it's connected. And with that done, all you need to do is, in place of cake, click on cake icon and paste the contract address. That's for the Baby Bonk. Click on import, click on I understand, and click on proceed. So now, in order to trade the BNB for some of the Baby Bonk, enter a percentage, or you could manually put in an amount you wish to spend. So let's say $1.87. Scroll down and click on swap. Set the slippage tolerance to 5%. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap, and a smart contract call is enabled. Click on approve and simply click on enter passcode. And boom, we've done so. Click on add Baby Bonk to wallet. Click on OK, and the transaction has been completed. So now if you were to close your pancake swap and head to the home section, perform a simple reload, you would find the Baby Bonk on your wallet. So guys, with that in mind, once you've been able to buy on a decentralized exchange, I'm going to be showing you how you can get some of the Baby Bonk coin on your centralized exchange, which is Mexi. So all you need to do is simply click on Mexi. So simply click on Mexi. Once you've selected Mexi, make sure you have an account. And if you do not have an account on Mexi, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome gifts. So guys, you're on Mexi. How can you buy the Baby Bonk coin? All you need to do is head to the market section and simply search for the Baby Bonk. So once you've searched for Baby Bonk, you can find it, and it's trading against USDT. So with that information, head to the wallet section and simply click on deposit. Proceed to deposit any cryptocurrency that can either be converted to USDT or deposit the USDT directly itself. So guys, once you've deposited crypto, you could as well deposit fiat. And to deposit fiat, all you need to do is buy your crypto using your fiat card. That's your MasterCard or your Visa card. Click on buy crypto. And once you've selected buy crypto, we're going to be using our euro to buy some USDT, or you could use the pound sterling or the GBP or the Russian ruble, any of which can be used to buy the USDT directly with your Visa or MasterCard. So guys, once that's done, once you've gotten some USDT, head to the trade icon, click on trade, NISA USDT, click on NISA USDT, and simply search for Baby Bonk. Once you've clicked on Baby Bonk, click on Buy Baby Bonk, select the limit option and select market, because we're going to be buying at the current price of the market. Click on Buy Baby Bonk and it's done. You then find your Baby Bonk on your wallet when you simply reload at the spot wallet, and you find the Baby Bonk here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.